Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this car tech video. In this video we're going to be looking at the Autel MD808 Pro Kit, which is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put the link to this kit directly below this video in the description. So right now we are in a Porsche Cayenne, as you may be able to figure out, and we have the airbag light showing on the dashboard here. So we're going to use this tool to actually diagnose and reset this warning light here. So we have the connector cable. One end of it is plugged into the tool, obviously, and the other end is plugged into the diagnostic port, which is underneath the steering wheel there. So we're going to click into scan. In fact, no, what I'm going to do first of all is go to setup and see if we can just get rid of that beep, because it is quite annoying. There we go. So we'll go to scan, click onto European, and then we need to select our manufacturer, which is Porsche. Here we go. And then from this list we're going to select our specific vehicle. So we are in a Cayenne from 2011 onwards. It's actually a 2013 model, but we're going to click OK, and we're going to select the system in which we wish to diagnose, which is number 5 here. It's airbag. I'm going to click OK to that. So then we go into read codes, and it's giving us a fault code here. I'm not sure how well you can read that, but it's B100B1B, and it's giving us a message to say driver's side airbag limit value exceeded. So we've checked the connections underneath the driver's seat, and we have indeed found it's like a loose little yellow box connector, which seems to have worked its way loose, but we've put that back together. Once we put that back together though, obviously the fault code is still here and the airbag light is still showing. So to get rid of those, we need to go into the tool and tell the ECU, hey look, we've fixed the connector, can you turn the airbag light off and can you reset the code? So to do that, we just click onto erase codes, and when we do this, the ECU will actually run a quick check of the airbag system to make sure everything has been fixed and everything has been put back together. If it's happy that everything is fixed correctly, then it will turn the airbag light off. So we're just going to click, it's telling us to switch the ignition on and the engine off, but really that doesn't matter. I'm just going to click yes to that, and once I click yes, just keep an eye on the airbag light. There we go. That's turned off straight away. So that was the quick check being done to make sure that the system was closed, and indeed it was. So the code is gone, the airbag light has gone, and it's all thanks to the Autel MD808 Pro. It covers a wide range of vehicles, as you can see here, and also a wide range of systems and manufacturers as well. And it's all thanks, as I say, to the MD808 Pro Kit. Now the kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and as I say, I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So thanks for watching this car tech video. I hope it's helped, and I'll see you next time.